Mayo. What's up, guys? We're on a trolley.
Here.
I know. We know that, Freddy. Now, let them see the view.
If we look at your events,
Mayo.
if we look at your events guide,
Why
your
are we
events
here?
guide contains
It's
a map.
train
It
day.
also
Yeah, we know that. That's why we're here.
routes for other trams that will take you to locations.
I wanted to
Your events guide also
I
contains
never orange will see socks. Orange Mayo.
plays.
What do you want to do? Look at the camera. You're not
So make sure to look at that for all your information. You can also pick up
Hi, Orange Chelsea.
a scavenger
Mayo?
hunt ticket.
Wait, Mayo.
Yes.
The camera's blue.
The scavenger hunt ticket.
Okay, now the. Damn, it's turning
The
blue
scavenger
again.
hunt ticket. There are 11 locations around town. You will find people wearing train conductor hats. You will give your ticket to them, and they will hole punch it for you.
Mayo.
If you get to all 11
What are you
locations,
doing?
you get all
Shut up,
11 holes
Luigi.
punched, and you get a prize. If you can't find any tickets, your events guide has locations in the schedule part that they will also punch if you don't have your ticket.
So, Mayo.
Also on this ticket, you can enter into an Amtrak sweepstakes where you can win 2 free coach tickets. If you have any other questions during the day, keep
What
an eye
is
out
coach?
for people in orange vests like this, and they'll be happy to help you out.
Oh.
Donations are greatly appreciated. We have the donation bucket up here at the front.
Hey, Mayo.
Help train days.
Mayo, this is nice. It's
continue to
going
be a
so
free experience for
fast.
everybody. Have a good one.
I'm not going out, Mayo. I'm not going out of my seat until I'm not going out of my seat until everyone's gone out. Man, Mayo, this looks weird. Why is the video turn blue?
Like riding a train.
Yeah, except not as cool.
Yeah.
Some of you might think this is cool, but I don't.
Mosquito. I just saw a mosquito.
Where?
It was flying.
Are we already at the place?
Why would it fly?
Maya, why, instead of taking a trolley, why didn't we just drive there?
Because you can.
Oh yeah, because Maya, isn't it because they cut off the street? Maya, I almost thought that sign had an error on it.
What?
Think
If you guys like this video, please subscribe and
We
leave a
say
like.
that at the end. So Mayo.
Stop asking me questions.
Should we just keep guys?
Hey, you're trying to railroad crossing right there.
Alright everybody, this East Tram will come back to this location every time, so when you're ready to come back to your car, just come back to the stop and we'll pick you up.
Yeah, we know.
Everybody stay down, got it?
K Freddy and K Orange Olsey.
Yeah. We're gonna be watching trains.
Ah, Mayo, it's so shiny.
Here.
going on the train.
Stay down.
Freddy, isn't it funny? Your name is G-Man and that's Yellow Yoshi's middle name?
Doesn't make sense.
Were you guys born with each other?
Oh.
No, I'm an animatronic. I wasn't born. I was built.
Wait a minute, wait. Hold my hand. You gotta let
I
me
was
know.
built to perform. Milo, you want to take the camera?
I'll take it, Luigi.
Let me get
Okay. Ian, get up.
Leo, let me get in front of you so I can help.
Waiting. Hey, Mace.
Mayo?
That's Chica's second name for some reason.
Mama, how long is it gonna get back? We're gonna see right here. Oh, yep.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna fake like I fall off the train.
Alright, go
You ready? Have the film ready. You ready to film? Fake.
Okay.
Fake like I fall off. Good.
Okay.
Mayo, come on.
Good.
Oh, I
Film
almost
film me.
fell.
As I
Oh,
fall off
cool.
the train.
Come on, Mayo. Wait. Nick's going ahead of me.
Nikki, grab your hand.
Nikki, go ahead.
Go, who holds?
Mayo.
Okay, we just got off the tram, as you can see, which was pretty easy. It took no effort. Freddy, stop moving! I'm excited! And stop calling Crowley! Crowley? What the hell is that? Dad! Did someone fart? Crowley! Wait.
Take care like this.
Who's Crowley?
Mayo, look, there are other people.
Come on.
There's a car right there.
Beat that girl with a CSX.
Hey, look at that thing. No, look at that thing right there. Paper and track.
Come on.
Cool.
Mayo.
Train day is cool. Make sure no train's coming. Okay? No? Ah, Ian, hurry up. I know. Of course you don't want to listen to the song. Mayo, the song sucks.
And pray that the train can get through. And pray that the
Puddle. Show the people that. Puddle.
I ended up placing an order and getting it together because I can't send anybody up there. Brenda.
We need to get a ticket.
Yeah, just go back to the kitchen.
Scavenger hunt, right?
Yay.
He's already run off. Ran in there.
Another bad thing.
Mayo, you're supposed to be filming.
I am. You say
Mayo, if you want to end the video right here, you can. Okay, guys. So, I have Mayo, I'm gonna end the video here.
Why?
Because we're not doing anything.
No.
So bye, guys.
Don't, Luigi, if you end it, you're
Then
bad.
you do it.
I want you to hold it. You never hold it. There we go.
Here, hold this. There it is. Garden doors in the top.
He's in the bathroom. Why do you think Freddy's in the bathroom now?
I don't know. Do you want to get tickets?
Mayo.
Guys!
You're not listening.
Right back home.
Stay with me.
I want to do video.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
This is the worst.
I know.
How many times do you go to the bathroom?
We can't even. So bye guys. Please like and subscribe.
Please subscribe and leave a like.
Yeah. And I don't care. Well, bye.